back to another super crazy belated BoxyCharm unboxing. So this one is for August of 2022, and it's the base box. So here's what the little card looked like. Nothing crazy. Dusk Till Dawn. Got our info on it, so I'm gonna set it right here. And first thing that I pull out, guys, it's another of the alley-oop Stack the Odds in Sassy Pants. That makes 3 now. I already gave one to my sister. I'm keeping one. I have one more, and even though these retail for 38 bucks, apparently everybody must have gotten multiples of this because I tried to look on eBay of what's the value that I could flip this for. I'd be lucky if I get 4 bucks, so not even gonna bother, so I don't know what to do with this one, but regardless, a best-selling 3-in-1 stackable comic. You guys know the drill. This is literally the 3rd time. You know the spiel. I'm not even gonna read it. I'll just... Okay, somehow, some way you missed it, even though I literally just reviewed this one earlier this week. Oh, God, I don't want to ruin the box in case somebody can make use of it, but, like... I'm just gonna take my chances. I kind of don't care. I don't think anybody's gonna take it. But it's this guy. It's literally another of this guy. It's the same one. It's literally the same one. They could have at least sent me a different colorway. Like, bro, what the fuck? 3 now. That makes 3. Whatever. Anyway, that's a thing. But I am excited for this glow recipe. This is the avocado melt retinol eye cream, and it's $42. So can I show you how cute it is? Because, like, it's pretty effing cute. Like, it looks like a little avocado-y thing. Not quite an avocado, but an avocado-y thing. Like, I love it. It's so cute. So anyway... Yes, retails for 42 bucks. Reignite the sparkle in your eyes with a gentle but powerful eye cream formulated with avocado, encapsulated retinol, coffee berry, and niacinamide. Long-lasting actives that release to help moisturize, brighten, fight fine lines, and depuff. Good stuff. Then from Girlactic, we have the metallic eye sparkle in... what color? Glam. So, this retails for $20. Velvety and easily blendable, this metallic cream shadow, or creme shadow, whatever, formula creates a high reflex sparkling finish that's easy to apply, blends easily, and wears all day. Look how pretty that is. That is super pretty. That'll be fun to play with. That helps make up for the 3rd of the alley-oop. So, then we have... from Give Them Lala, who I finally just saw an episode of Vanderpump Rules for the first time, like 2 days ago. Now I know who Lala is! So it was like the launch party for like some of her lip products. So now this makes sense in context. This is the Give Them Lala Skin Coconut Kisses Nourishing Lip Mask. 22 bucks. This nourishing lip mask provides your lips with the ultimate hydration to leave them feeling soft and plump. A generous layer before bedtime locks in moisture for refreshed, soft, perfectly kissable lips. But the ingredients are water, hydrogenated styrene / isoprene copolymer, ethyl hexyl palmitate, azacharite, Vaseline, shea butter, hydrogenated coconut oil, jojoba seed oil, tocopherol acetate, phenoxyethanol, ethyl hexyl glycerin, titanium dioxide, and fragrance. So maybe the coconut they're referring to is just the coconut oil, in which case I can use this. If it's hiding in the fragrance, it might be another story, but if it's just in the coconut oil, I'm okay with that. So, we'll see. I'll at least give it a try, but since it'll then be open and used, the best I can do if it does screw with me is give it to my mom, but she's a fan of that show, so maybe she'd be honored to have this even used. I don't know, but anyway. Lastly, we have from Tenai, I don't know, it's Sunset to the Stars Lip Oil, 27 bucks. Does it have a color name? Doesn't look like it. So, this ultra shiny gloss is infused with nourishing coconut oil and pomegranate seed oil to plump and hydrate, plus a sheer, shimmery pink tint that you can build with each stroke. Ooh, that is a really pretty color. It has like a nice gold reflect in there. Okay, that I like. That's real pretty. I like that. So that, again, helps make up for the other thing if it turns out to be a fail that I can't use. It's not their fault if it's fail that I can't use. That's me being allergic to crap. But anyway, that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel, you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.